Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome, and please try to click the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, okay? Just to encourage me to do more. DTW Tutorials is an educational channel that supports students in their exams. That's for WAEC, NECO, JAM, GC. We do Fridays Math Trick, and we also have what we call Discovery Mondays, where we learn how stuff works. Okay, so welcome. So today we're going to be looking at how to divide any number by 9. It's Friday's Math Trick, so we have a trick here. So how do we do this? Let's say, for example, we have this. This is like 1,400,000. Okay, 101, and we're told to divide this by 9. How can we do this? All we need to do here is, first of all, the first number, we're going to drop this number down. Okay, at the end of this particular solution, you're going to also punch your calculator to find out if it's correct. Okay, so when we drop this number down, the next thing is we add 4 to 1. And when we add 4 to 1, what do we have? We have what? 5. Then the next one, we add what? 1 to 5, and we have what? 6. And the next thing we do, we add what? 1 to 6, and we have a 7 here. And we add this up also to 7, and we have a 8, and 0 plus 8 is another 8. Now for this final number, what do we do? When we add up, we are not going to write this down, but when we do this, we say 1 plus 8 is what? 9. So we're going to say 9 divided by 9. Okay, and what is 9 divided by 9? This will give us what? 1. So we add 1 to our solution here, and our final answer is, this will add up when we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 1. Okay, you can punch your calculator to confirm this. Now you can see you can just divide any number by 9 in 3 seconds. Okay, let's take another example, a harder one. What if we encounter a number during division and has a remainder? Okay, how do we do this? Okay, for example, if we have 1, 3, 0. Okay, so let's put a 1 here, 1, then a 2 and 1 divided by 9. Okay, so how do we do this? The first thing we do first is we'll drop our 1 down. Okay, the next thing we do is we add 3 to 1, which will give us a 4. The next thing we add 1 to 4, which will give us a 5. The next thing we add what? 0 to 5, which will still give us what? A 5. And the next thing we add what? 2 to 5, which will give us what? A 7. Now our final number here, as I told you, you are not going to add and drop this down here, but when we add up, we are going to have what? 8 then divided by 9. And once 8 divided by 9, it cannot go, so our answer, we're just going to write a remainder what? 8. Okay, when you divide 8 by 9, you're going to have something like a 0.888 and all. Okay, so when you punch in your calculator, you should have this answer as 14557.888. Okay, so let's take a look at a harder one. Let's say we have this 416,249 divided by 9. How do we do this? Let's drop our first number down. We have a 4. Then we say 1 plus 4. What will this give us? It will give us what? A 5. All right. Okay. So when we add 6 plus 5, you can see we are going to get what? An 11. All right. So we can't just drop this 11 down. What do? We'll carry this 1, add it to 5, and drop what? 1. Okay. So when we add this 1 to 5, this is going to change to what? A 6. All right. Okay. So the next thing, what do? We're going to add 2 now to 11. And what is 2 plus 11? That will give us what? 13. All right. So what do we do again? We'll carry 1 to this 1 here and drop 3. So we drop our 3, carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 will give us what? A 2. The next thing we have, we add our 4 to 13. And what's 4 plus 13? That will give us what? 17. So here we drop our 7. This is our 1. We add it to 3, and it will give us what? A 4. Okay, and what's our final number now? we say a 9 plus 17, which will give us what? 26. And remember, as we've done in this and also in this first example, we'll say 26 divided by 9. And what would that give us? That will give us what? A 2. That's in 18. Remainder what? 8. Okay? So these two, what do? We add these two up to 7, and this will give us what? A 9. Remainder 8. I hope you understand this. Okay, so our final answer here will be what? 46249.88. Okay, so this is how we can solve and divide any number by 9. All right, thank you for staying tuned to Friday's Mastery. See you in our next video. Bye.